Understanding the difference between power and energy can help you determine how much electricity a piece of equipment is using and how much it is costing you to operate. When it comes to electricity, we will see the expression watts, W, kilowatts, kW, and kilowatt hours, kWh. A kilowatt is 1,000 watts and is a measure of power. Watts are generally stated on small appliances, for example, a 6-watt light globe, whereas kilowatts are stated on large equipment, for example, a 7.5 kilowatt electric motor. Kilowatt hour is a measure of energy, which is power used over a period of time. For example, if a 7.5 kilowatt motor operated for 1 hour, the energy used would be 7.5 times 1 hour equaling 7.5 kilowatt hours. On your electricity bill, usage charges will be based on how much energy or kilowatt hours is used. Note, the kilowatt rating of a motor indicates the power it can deliver, not the power it may consume. However, it can be used as a proxy when estimating energy use and energy cost of the motor. Let's look at this pump. The nameplate on the motor states a power rating of 2.2 kilowatts. If this pump ran for 1 hour, it would use 2.2 kilowatt hours. That's 2.2 kilowatts times 1 hour equals 2.2 kilowatt hours. It operates when the peak tariff rate applies. The price of peak rate electricity is 68.05 cents per kilowatt hour. Therefore, the cost of operating this pump would be 149.7 cents. 2.2 kilowatts times 6.05 cents equals 149.7 cents, which equals $1.50. Let's look at this hot water service. The nameplate states a power rating of 4.8 kilowatts. If this hot water service ran for 3 hours, it would use 14.4 kilowatt hours. That's 4.8 kilowatts times 3 hours equals 14.4 kilowatt hours. The hot water service operates overnight when off-peak tariff rates apply. The price of off-peak electricity is 36.54 cents per kilowatt hour. Therefore, the cost of operating this hot water service would be 526.2 cents or $5.26. 14.4 kilowatt hours times 36.55 cents equals 526.2 cents or $5.26. Let's summarise. Power is measured in watts or kilowatts. This is displayed on the nameplate. Energy is a measure of power over time and is shown as kilowatt hours. On your bill, electricity is charged per kilowatt hour. To determine the cost of operating a piece of equipment, firstly determine its energy consumption in kilowatt hours and then apply the appropriate tariff rate. Use this approach to compare different electrical equipment and appliances.